Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
In the ever-expanding digital landscape, affiliate marketing has emerged as a lucrative avenue for individuals seeking financial independence. One innovative approach involves harnessing the capabilities of artificial intelligence, specifically leveraging ChatGPT to generate compelling content and boost affiliate earnings. In this guide, we'll explore a unique strategy to make $1,000 per week by utilizing Walmart's extensive product catalog with a focus on baby car seats. Step 1. Research and identify profitable products. To kickstart your journey, delve into Walmart's product listings and pinpoint high-demand items. In this case, we'll focus on baby car seats. These products are a necessity for parents, making them an ideal choice for affiliate marketing. Step 2. Generate content with ChatGPT. Now, harness the power of ChatGPT to create engaging blog posts about baby car seats. Start by crafting a compelling prompt, such as, write a detailed blog post about the top 10 baby car seats available on Walmart with safety features, comfort, and customer reviews. ChatGPT will generate unique and informative content based on your prompt. For instance, you can input, explore the top-rated baby car seats on Walmart and provide insightful information on their safety features, comfort, and customer reviews. Craft a detailed blog post that helps parents make an informed decision when choosing a car seat for their little ones. Step 3. Optimize content for SEO. To maximize your reach and increase the chances of earning affiliate commissions, optimize the generated content for search engines. Incorporate relevant keywords, meta tags, and headers to enhance the post's visibility on platforms like Google. Step 4. Integrate affiliate links. As your content takes shape, strategically integrate affiliate links to the baby car seats featured in the blog post. Ensure that the links seamlessly fit into the narrative, providing readers with an opportunity to explore and purchase the products you're promoting. For example, discover the safety and comfort of the Graco Extend 2-Fit convertible car seat, available exclusively at Walmart. Click here to view the product and make a purchase. Step 5. Leverage social media and online communities. Expand your reach by sharing your blog post on various social media platforms and relevant online communities. Engage with your audience, answer questions, and provide additional insights to establish yourself as a trusted source in the niche. By combining the power of affiliate marketing, artificial intelligence, and strategic content creation, you can unlock a consistent stream of income. The key lies in identifying profitable products, leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT to generate engaging content, and optimizing your strategy for maximum exposure. With dedication and creativity, earning $1,000 per week in affiliate marketing is within reach, and baby car seats from Walmart could be your ticket to success. Happy affiliate marketing!
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.